Okay, ready. How was it?
9.
9? Which word you went wrong? अरे आता मी बघते जे उरलेत ते माझे. काय मला मागून थंड थंड लावते. सो बऱ्याच जणांनी मला विचारलेलं की तुझी छोटी बहीण कुठे आहे. सो फायनली आता ह्या व्लॉग मध्ये माझी छोटी बहीण तुम्हा सगळ्यांना दिसली असेल.
So I'm tying my shoelaces now. So what's happening is today.
Okay, ready.
Just got in dictation.
9.
What was the mistake? You had written this 10 times earlier today, right? And why is this cat here? Put the cat out. There's so many chappals. Hey, cartoon now. Chill. Good. We can't take you inside. I know what you want to do with Coco and Charlie. Very smarties. Wants to do bang bang. Go down and do bang bang. Ring the bell. Go enter faster, Hriday, the moment it.
Hi.
Dada is also taking one.
We started vlogging today again after a long time.
Yeah.
Ask us dictation.
How was it?
9.
9?
Which
word you went wrong? अरे what you did again? I mistake है ना? What way?
I did not write this.
अरे यार. Okay, go to the kitchen. Surprise for you. अरे पण बाबू तू बिल्ड्स 10 times लिहिलेला ना. अरे यार. अच्छा ठीक है चल.
That's what I started cycling again.
You're going down again, right? You're going down now.
Yes. To cycle.
To cycle.
I love cycling. But do you know that I can cycle?
I'm making some yummy food. Hello. I'm making some yummy food.
Yes.
What?
Yummy food.
What food?
That is a surprise. Over here. No, Ray. Maggie is a yummy or what? Potato shots.
Everything is a surprise.
ठीक है चलो. काय चाललंय इथे?
Nothing.
He's telling me that he wrote B for Bangalore because he was missing me.
ओ सो हृदयचा होमवर्क चालू आहे नेम प्लेस ॲनिमल थिंग्सचा. अँड हृदय इज युझिंग द ग्लोब प्लेसेस शोधायला.
Yes, and she is going to help me with doing my homework.
ओ माऊ आली आज घरी. एक छोटूसा सरप्राईज.
And place.
I know.
My favorite. I love all of them. I'm ordering all of them.
कोणते कोणते फ्लेवर्स आहेत त्यात?
There is passion fruit, bubble gum.
ते दाखव ना फक्त, मग सगळेच दिसतील.
Lime, काला कट्टा, berry glass, blueberry.
तुला कोणता आवडतो?
I like काला कट्टा and bubble gum.
आय थिंक हृदयला ना तुझ्याकडनंच इफेक्ट आलाय. मम्माने मराठीत विचारलं तर इंग्लिश मध्ये आन्सर्स द्यायचे है ना?
No, I do not even I do not hear that any time.
Yeah. When you were named that time, so
हृदय
it also
होमवर्क नंतर, आता पहिला ते खाऊया नाही तर त्याला स्टेन येईल. गुड्डू तुला पाहिजे?
You think it is a
Egg
treat?
चलो लेट्स ओपन. तुला कोणता फ्लेवर पाहिजे? चला खोला. चार्ली असा येतो तसं चार्लीला पाहिजे. कोको ए कोको
I love a lychee.
कुठे बसलाय कोको? काय पाहिजे कोकोला?
Coco, what do you want? Take. What do you want, Daddy?
खोललं.
What color do you think which is? Yeah.
ते लिहिलं असेल ना.
It's green.
This is not lychee. Oh, what? Guess what? See it's written.
शो शो.
Yes.
तुला लिची पाहिजे?
Yes.
ओके
I love
एन्जॉय.
Which flavor? Okay.
Which other one?
Lychee is gone now. Some other flavor you have to choose.
और एक पैकेट है इफ यू वांट.
Agu, I am passionate.
Oh God, Ridge likes all these weird flavors only.
What's weird in that?
Blueberry cheesecake ice cream.
What? Who has
You want? What do you think? This is your You think this is your treat? You think this is your treat?
काला खट्टा.
काय खाते तू?
काला खट्टा.
गुड.
Classic.
तू खा, मला नकोय.
classic?
Cold.
It's not even that cold.
It's cold. It's not.
आता मी बघते जे उरलेत ते माझे. मी ऑरेंज घेणार. आणि तू काय मला मागून थंड थंड लावते, थंड थंड लावते, थंड थंड लावते. तू थंड थंड लावते, थंड थंड थांब.
Now you, your turn.
काय रे काय काय?
You got out there also.
Vande Mataram, Shubhanam, Sushina, Nalavisha Vedanam, Shashudamara, Mataram, Vande Mataram.
It's raining outside.
Mataram.
AC बंद कर, window open कर.
इतना छोटा हो गया क्या वंदे मातरम?
Huh?
काय झालं?
He's telling me, say that you are not going to Bangalore.
Lisa, face the reality. She is going to Bangalore. And tell her you prosper there. You will do good. You will do amazing. You will excel in your exams there.
Wish her good luck. Say all the best for your exams. Don't be sad that she's leaving. चलो चलो wish her.
Yeah, I told you. You also good luck. You also study a lot. Then you can travel everywhere and meet me. Okay?
पाऊस किती पडतोय. सो बऱ्याच जणांनी मला विचारलेलं की तुझी छोटी बहीण कुठे आहे. सो फायनली आता ह्या व्लॉग मध्ये माझी छोटी बहीण तुम्हा सगळ्यांना दिसली असेल.
हो.
ती ऍक्च्युली बँगलोरला असते अभ्यासासाठी.
हाँ.
तू काय अभ्यास करते?
I'm doing an MA in education.
Yes.
तर आता माझा पहिला वर्ष संपलाय. आता दुसरा वर्ष सुरू होणार आहे. I miss everyone a lot. I'm feeling mixed feelings about leaving. I'm happy also that I get to study something that I like, but I feel sad that I have to stay away from my family. But luckily everyone has been so supportive, and they always ask me if I'm doing well and everything. So I'm so lucky and so happy, and I feel like I wouldn't have been able to do this if my sisters had not paved the path for me. So I'm very thankful of that.
And she is going to come in May 2025.
Yes.
He's just waiting की आता तू परत कधी येणार.
I'm going to come in May 2025.
हॉस्टेलला तुला आवडतं की नाही आवडत?
I like some parts of it. Like I like that I get to make like friends who are my age, and everybody is living so near to you in the hostel. But then sometimes it gets so lonely without family around, and I miss home cooked food so much, and I miss Hriday. But everything else is okay.
And I like studying with her.
Yeah, we like studying together.
मग आता तू
discovered.
ती इथे आल्यावरती तू तिच्यासोबतच अभ्यास कर.
Yeah.
ऑरेल्स माझ्याकडे एक आयडिया आहे, तू व्हिडिओ कॉल वरती तिच्या बरोबर आता अभ्यास करू शकतो.
I'll become your private tutor. Okay.
ठीक आहे, चल एकदा बोल सगळ्यांना सबस्क्राईब करायला.
Yes. Everyone, please subscribe, share, like, because I'm sure every time when I miss my family, I just watch her vlogs and I feel so nice. So if it made you smile even once, you should also like, subscribe, comment and share it with someone you know. Bye.
Bye.